Good morning, everyone. I am moving today. It's gonna be a very hectic day. I have to run some errands, pick up my contacts, move my entire house, and obviously look really good while doing it. This is 4-day hair right now, so she needs some work. So we are going to do a very sleek, sophisticated, easy bun. This is super easy, super quick, and you can go on with your busy day and get things done while looking stylish. Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower, but I did not wash my hair because we don't need to. We have these two guys. Here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna take our hair down. Woo! How does she look? Step number one is to use the spray bottle, and you're gonna just wanna get like the outer part of your hair sprayed down. So I push it back like this, and then just spray it. Feels very magical, like you're being misted in a beautiful tropical location. Let's all pretend we're there, because we all know we're not, because we're in quarantine. But we'll all just pretend for a second. Then once your hair is sufficiently sprayed down, you're gonna take this smoothie brush, and you can just use any like bristled brush that's really dense. Whoa, oops. Okay, so you're just gonna start brushing the hair back, and then I have little baby hairs right here, so I brush them down here because I like the look of taming your little baby hairs. And then I brush the rest back so you guys can see these kind of like loop in. Okay, so then once the smoothie brush smooths your hair, we are going to take a hair binder or hair tie if you're not from Minnesota. Apparently only in Minnesota do we say hair binder, but you know. So I'm going to take my hair binder and pull my hair up to like the crown of my head right here. I like a high bun, and I'm doing this without a mirror. So I'm just going off of feel, which honestly I do a lot, so like it's fine. Okay, so then you're gonna start twisting your hair like so, and keep twisting. And then once I do one twist, I just wrap it. Okay, so it looks like this. Great, great, great. Then you're gonna take your hair binder, obviously wrap it around, and there you go. Hey guys, so we are on the move, moving. Literally, look at all this stuff. It's wild, but we've been moving for like 5 hours. I'm sweating, but my hair has held up and still looks good. So I wanted to show you guys that even on literally the busiest day, this hairstyle will still stay in place and work, and you won't look horrible. So yeah, oh, and by the way, we are moving. I don't know if I said this before, but we're moving to the beach. So I'm very excited. I will take you guys around to the beach. Maybe we'll do like hair for beach days or something in an upcoming video, and we'll do it at the beach. What? So many options. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and by the way, we have a curl friend. That is a new thing I'm doing on my channel, where if you comment below and you're subscribed and you like my videos and I notice how amazing you are, then I'm gonna shout you out in a video. So this curl friend shout out is for Carly Davis. She's so nice. She's an amazing subscriber. She always comments on my videos, and I know that she just got a Denman brush, which is my favorite brush, you guys know. So Carly, I hope you're liking it. Let me know how it goes for you, and I hope you guys are liking this video. And for everyone, definitely make sure that you comment and like and subscribe, and yeah. Alright you guys, so we have moved in for the day. We still have a little bit of moving to do, but my hair held up. It looks good. It's a little echoey in here, so hopefully that's not too weird, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and comment below. And I think that's everything. Yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, and bye!